was able to get this nice sample from the new foundation from Makeup Forever. Is the HD Skin. Now again, just like the other foundation that I reviewed, NARS, even if this color doesn't match, we're gonna see if it works more for like oily skin before you go and purchase like the big size. This foundation is $43 if you were to buy the full size. It does come in 1 ounce. I will put the picture right here of what it looks like. This shade that I have here, this was a sample that I got at Sephora. They didn't have many shades to choose from, so this one is in 2N26. I will tell you what shade I would have picked. I'm usually a light with neutral undertones. The number 1N14. Okay, 1N14 beige, which is light skin with neutral undertones. They also have another one, fair to light skin with neutral undertones, and that would be 1N10 ivory. So those would be like my two choices. I don't know, it all depends if the foundation oxidizes or not. Before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style, and please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Just take it out of my face. A lot of shades to choose from, like 30 plus. I didn't even count exactly. It says best for oily, combo, and normal skin. Notice how they didn't mention dry. That's okay. Natural finish, medium coverage. This is a liquid formula, long wearing. So it says that the undetectable liquid foundation that blurs and covers imperfections for up to 24 hours, powered by a micro skin system that syncs with the skin for true to skin finish. For an additional blurring effect, finish your look with the Ultra HD loose finishing powder. Of course, they're gonna suggest theirs. For a 24-hour matte effect, ooh, that's what I like. Your look with the Ultra HD Matte Setting Powder. Of course, before we apply the foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and just moisturize my face. I've been really liking this and I have to review it, give you my full thoughts. This is the Fenty Beauty Invisible Moisturizer with SPF 30. It's so good. I'm going to just swatch this. Again, don't be scared by the color. We're gonna see the formula. So here's the color that we have, and I will set it with a very light powder to like help with the color. Take this brush. This is from Real Techniques. This is the Expert Face Brush. I'm gonna put some very carefully. Usually when I do this, it goes all over my clothes. So I'm just gonna start applying it. Let's see if it's easy to blend. Okay, I feel like it dries quickly, and if you see me looking here, it's because I'm using this as my camera. Much darker here than when you spread it, apply it all over. I feel like when I use my sponges, like I use less product. I don't know, is it just me? I'm just like blending this. It has a scent to it. I have to see, I feel like I'm doing lots of pumps. Just applied like one layer of it, even though that was a lot of pumps, but I don't think like a full pump comes out of this little one. I can see this would look beautiful outside. Beautiful. I kind of like see a glow. Alright, you see that, right? Typically, I'm very uncomfortable with this, even though you may be like, are you crazy? Like, that looks nicer. Yes, it does look nice, but remember, I'm going to get super oily, and if you're oily, you will too. And this niceness is not gonna look like this anymore, okay? I guess you can still build it up. Right now it looks really light. Like, I can definitely go and build it up more to feel a little more comfortable. Definitely need, like, at least for my liking, I would still like to build it up more. Let me just do that on this side so I can really see how much can you really build it up. I feel like when I'm like spreading it, like it's moving a bit, you know? I don't feel like it's set. I feel like if I try to blend it too much, like the product moves. I touch this side, it feels like it's not set, you know, like it doesn't feel matte or like it's completely set. It just feels, you know, like dewy. I would say you would get a medium coverage, light medium coverage to this. So if you're looking for full coverage, definitely skip this. I don't know why they wouldn't include dry skin. Because to me it feels nice. It feels very comfortable on the skin. Again, I don't know if it's just me. Let me know if you've had this or smelled this, but it smells like floral to me. Apply this powder. It's my It Cosmetics powder. It's a translucent, but it's kind of light, okay? There's some powders that come in different colors. This one is just translucent like this. So you know what, I'll just do it on camera really quick, and then I'll go ahead and finish my makeup and come back and show you. Of course, I will do a wear test. Right now it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I'll wear it at least until like 11, okay? 11, maybe 12 if I can hold on that long. And you see the color does change a little or a lot. And this is a beautiful, beautiful finish. If I would stay like this throughout the day without getting more intense, then I would be happy. To the rest of my face. I'm just gonna go and finish my makeup. Alright, so I just created this quick look. I did record like the eye makeup for TikTok really quick, not like with details, you know, just something quick, but I really like how it came out. The face is looking good. I don't feel like I'm looking super shiny. I have all these lights on me, but yeah, we shall see. It's 4:10. Let me look at it up close again. I think it blended really nicely and it really looks like skin, even like after applying the powder. The other products blended really well on top. I don't feel like the foundation moved at all. Ow. Why did I just do that? If I touch it after setting it, it does feel like completely dry now. I don't think like it would transfer whatsoever. But now that the swatch is dry, let me go ahead and do a fresh swatch and see if it oxidizes, meaning if the old shade looks darker, so you can see and be aware when you're gonna buy a color. So it does, it definitely does, but I wouldn't say a lot. What is that, maybe like 1 shade? It's not too much. Yeah, I would say maybe 1 shade of that, but I've definitely seen worse. Of course, I would rather have my shade instead of this, but we're making it work. Like I said, this is mostly like taking advantage of samples of this very expensive product and trying to help out and see if you should splurge, okay? But I mean, really, it looks beautiful. Beautiful. I'm super into the makeup that looks like skin but with coverage. Like, don't get me wrong, I don't want something like super natural like that. Like, I still need my coverage, I don't know, but I don't want it to look cakey, you know, even if I have to apply like 2 layers of it. Right, so I'll be checking in with you maybe around 6 o'clock. I do have a meeting to attend to that's gonna take like at least until 6 o'clock. I don't know if I'll have my lashes. I don't like to have my lashes for my meetings, my work meetings, but yeah. I almost forgot to keep doing these check-ins. Oh, I would have died. Like, I've been with this dark foundation throughout most of the day. Now I don't even know what time we started. Was it 3 something? Right now it's 9 o'clock. I am starving. I just ordered some spinach and artichoke from Applebee's, so I can't wait for it to arrive. That's gonna be like my lunch. Let's talk about this foundation. So as you see, I am looking, you know, like shiny, but I don't think like I look disgusting, like in a super oily way. It's not as cold today, but I feel like in my apartment and it's pretty hot, plus these lights. I expected to be more oily, but I'm not. I can't stop looking at myself and thinking how beautiful this foundation looks, because it looks like skin. I want to blot so bad. I'm not doing it just for the sake of this video, but trust me, the last update, I'll update you guys once my Applebee's comes. But yeah, it's not looking bad. If you have like fine lines or any dryness that you don't want it to emphasize, this is great. I don't think this is gonna emphasize any like dryness or anything. Just feel like, I don't know, like it looks nice, but I would still like to blot. I guess it's just a habit, even though this looks very pretty, okay? And who knows, maybe I will buy the big size because it's just too beautiful. But we're talking too soon. Let's just wait and see. The last update, I will blot and see how it looks, like if the foundation has been removed after blotting, because I don't mind blotting. Like, I have to do that with every foundation, but I want to make sure that when I blot, like the foundation is still there, you know, not like where I blot like there's gonna be a patch of foundation missing. You hear my dog, he's crying. I don't know why. Just fed him. Now he's coughing and sneezing. Alright, so I will be back. I'm so hungry. Alright, bye. Alright guys, this is it. I'm so tired. It is 11 o'clock. Alright, and now I finally can blot. I can't say that I've been out in the sun or sweating like crazy, so I could only do what I could do, you know. But yeah, right now, like, I'm dying to blot. So I'm gonna blot and see if the foundation comes off or rubs off, or if it's gonna look just like new when you blot, because that's important. So I see several of it coming off. I'm pretty sure it said that it was waterproof, right? I don't know if that's true or if, so this is how much is coming off. Just want to look at it up close really quick. Oh god, look at that. So all of this on my nose, I don't know if you can see it or not, maybe by the color difference, maybe you can see it there. All of this does not have foundation. That's scary. I don't know if like the oils like made it go away or what happened. It's terrifying. I know I was also like scratching my nose. I was itchy. So just keep that in mind. I feel like some of the foundation does come off when you blot. So I mean, if you do, just do it very gently, I guess. I just did that in my forehead, and like all this part here is missing foundation. You have really oily skin, like really oily, like don't even consider this. Like strictly look for matte foundations that they say matte foundation. This one doesn't say matte foundation, so it's not like it's not working properly. It's just that with my skin type, I wanted to try it for you to see. So if you like a bit of a glow, or maybe you're just combination, maybe you'll like this. Super dry skin, I don't know. I don't feel like this foundation is super hydrating, but it does give you a glow. It doesn't feel tight on the skin. It does look beautiful, but I mean, I have had it for quite a while, and I mean, yeah, my nose is what gets the most oily, and there's foundation missing from my nose, so that's terrifying. If you want matte or full coverage, this is not for you. So I hope this helped you out. Again, I left you the shade that I would be in this at the beginning of the video. Now, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna take this face off now, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Bye.